Chapter 17 Shelter for Animals. Like human beings, animals also need homes to live in. These homes or shelters protect them from their enemies and extreme weather conditions. Animals need shelter to lay eggs and nurture their young ones. Animals are found everywhere on land, in air, and in water. Different animals live in different types of shelters according to their needs. These natural places where they live are called their habitat. A habitat of an animal can be built anywhere on land or water, according to their needs. Animals on land. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. These mostly live in their natural shelters in jungle. Some of these animals live in man-made shelters also. They live either as pets at home or are domesticated in farms. Let us read more about each of these animals. Wild animals and animals live in natural habitat. Animals like lions, bears, and tigers live in caves in the jungle. Elephants, deer, giraffe, and zebra live in grasslands under the trees. Animals like rats, snakes, and moles live in tunnels made by them under the ground. Rabbits live in burrows underground. Monkeys, chimpanzees, birds, squirrels are animals that make their homes in the trees. Birds make different kinds of nests to lay eggs and to live in them. Such animals who live on trees are called arboreal animals. Insects such as ants live in ant hills and honeybees live in beehives made by them on trees. Insects usually live in a very organized manner in large colonies. Camels live in deserts. They are known as the sheep of the desert as they can live for many days without water and food. The other animals found in deserts are chameleon, lizards, and hedgehog. Some animals like yaks, polar bears, and penguins live in hilly regions and frozen areas. They have thick fur on their bodies to protect them from extreme weather conditions. A spider builds its web with a type of silk formed in its body. This liquid form of silk comes out and becomes solid when it comes in contact with air. This thread spun by the spider makes a web and is very strong. It catches its prey in the web. Animal in desert. Animal in polar region frozen. A spider's web. Arboreal animals. Animals living in holes. An ant hill. A beehive. A lion's den. Factopedia. Animals like owls, moths, earthworms, hamsters, and guinea hen are nocturnal animals. They are active at night and can see very well in the dark. Domestic animals. Domestic animals live in shelters made by man. Horses live in stables made by man. Sheep, goats, cows, and buffaloes live in farms in sheds. Cats and dogs are kept as pets at home. Animals that live in water. Animals like duck, swan, fish, octopus, sharks, seals, and seahorse live in water, in seas, lakes, ponds, and rivers. These are known as aquatic animals. These animals breathe in the oxygen that is dissolved in water. Their body parts, such as eyes, are waterproof. We must keep the water free from pollution as these animals can even die in polluted water. Fish have gills through which they breathe and fins to help them swim in water. Animals that live both on land and in water. Some animals like frogs, toads, newts, and salamanders live both on land as well as in water. Such animals are called amphibians. Inside the water, These animals breathe through their skin, but when they are on land, they breathe through their lungs. Their limbs help them swim in water. Reptiles like crocodile and alligators also live on land in the daytime and live in water at night. Factopedia. A group of frogs is called an army of frogs, and a group of toads is called a knot of toads. A quick recall. Animals need shelter to live in and to protect themselves. Their natural surroundings, where they live, is called a habitat. Animals living on land are called terrestrial animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians.